Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're having an issue with the Prime.exe applications error that the instructions at 0x00007FFE284B3466 reference memory at 0x000000000000024. The memory could not be written. Click on OK to terminate the program. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix? And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And then dito ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung desk cleanup. And then click mo lang dito yung open. And then dito sa desk cleanup drive selections, and then select lang natin itong drive, yung C drive natin, and then click mo lang itong OK. And then wait natin. Alright, and then next step, dito lang sa ating desk cleanup. And then next ay kailangan lang natin i-delete dito yung files to delete, itong download program files, and then yung temporary internet files. So yan yung kailangan natin i-delete mga kaibigan. Okay, and then next step, kailangan mo lang i-click tong box, and then click mo lang tong clean up system files, and then wait natin. Okay, so after natin ma-delete yung files, ang next step, dito lang sa search menu, and then type mo lang dito yung cmd, or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and then kailangan mo lang mag-right click, and then sinig mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click mo lang itong yes. And then dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na sfc /scan now. So in all small letter lahat, and then yung /scan now ay one word po yan. And then press mo lang yung enter. At makikita mo na dito yung beginning system scan. This process will take some time. Beginning verification phase of system scan. So, kailangan lang natin hintayin na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. Alright, so makikita mo na dito na verifications 100% complete. And then next step, so close lang natin tong CMD. And then dito lang si start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. So, i-click mo lang tong restart. Yes, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix the Prime.exe applications error on Windows 11 or Windows 10. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.